Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I will show you the location of the radio fuses in the 2009 Ford Escape. This works from 2008 all the way up to 2012. So in case your radio is not powering up or there is no sound coming from the speakers, I will show you which fuses you would have to check and if needed to replace them. Ford Escape has two fuse boxes. The one you will need to check is located in the passenger cabin, just next to the left passenger leg. Now, before I show you how to open up that cover, first I'll show you which fuses you would have to check. So in case you don't have the owner's manual, you can pause this video and see the number of fuses and the locations. Okay, so this is the fuse box, the diagram for the fuse box in the cabin. So first you will need to check the fuse box number 14. That one is, like it says here, FCIM, radio button, satellite radio and front display module. So in case your buttons on the radio don't work, or your satellite radio doesn't work, or if this screen up here is not powering up, that's the one you will need to check. It's a 10 amp fuse. Then fuse number 28, 5 amp radio fuse. Next one would be number 38, 20 amp fuse, subwoofer or amp. So that's for the amplifier. If you have one, you would have to check this one. Or if your speakers are not working, this one would also be the one you would have to check. And the fuse number 39, it's a radio fuse as well. And now I will show you how to open that fuse box and how to access those fuses. Okay, to open up this this cover, so just pull here towards yourself. It's easily gonna remove. And now here is the fuse box cover. Now to access that one, there are two clips. One is here on the top. Another one is down here, so you can use your one hand and just push on both of those clips and the fuse cover will be easily removed. On the inside you have a fuse puller, so that's the one right here. You can use that to pull out all the fuses that would have to be replaced. Okay, I turned flash on my phone, so I hope it's gonna be more visible. So first we have to check the fuse number 14, which is by the diagram, this 10 amp fuse right here. Next one would be fuse number 28, a radio 5 amp fuse. Number 28 is located right here, so that's the one, green one here, the 5 amp fuse. Next one would be fuse number 38, subwoofer or amplifier. Fuse number 38, it's this one right here, the yellow one, 20 amp fuse. Next one, the last one, is number 39, 20 amp radio fuse, which is this one right here, so next to the other one. Yeah, so you pretty much have to check this one right here, the red one, the 5 amp, 20 amp and 20 amp. Yeah, pretty simple. If any of those is burned out, just replace it and this should fix your radio. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and that you were able to fix your radio. If it was helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily, whatever I do at my shop. I have lots of how-to videos, car reviews, product reviews. So if you're interested in automotive stuff, give me your support.